Unveiling the charm of a custom-made ring. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of custom-made rings. Whether you're considering purchasing one or just curious about what makes them so special, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the artistry and personal touch behind every custom-made ring. A custom-made ring is more than a piece of jewelry. It's a personal statement, a symbol of love, or a testament to individual style. Unlike off-the-shelf rings, a custom-made ring is designed and crafted to meet the specific desires and requirements of an individual. This section of the video will uncover the process, significance, and unique appeal of these bespoke creations. The journey of a custom-made ring begins with an idea or a dream. This section will guide you through the collaborative process between the customer and the jeweler. We'll discuss how initial concepts are discussed, designs are drafted, and how the customer's personal style and preferences are infused into every detail of the ring. Beyond their material value, custom-made rings carry deep emotional significance. They often commemorate special occasions like engagements, anniversaries, or personal achievements. This part of the video will touch upon the stories and emotions that these rings represent, making them priceless treasures for those who wear them. Owning a custom-made ring comes with the responsibility of maintaining its beauty and integrity. This section will provide useful tips and best practices for caring for your custom-made ring, ensuring it remains as stunning and significant as the day it was crafted. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the enchanting world of custom-made rings. We hope this video has illuminated the artistry, personalization, and emotional depth that make these pieces so extraordinary. If you're considering a custom-made ring or simply appreciate the craftsmanship, remember that these rings are more than accessories. They're personal narratives waiting to be worn and cherished.